Hi friends, you want to know how I made this ginger and onions treatment for hair? Then watch the video to the end. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Benedita. If you are new in this channel, you are welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make onions and ginger treatment. Onions is rich in sulfur and has antibacterial properties that help to treat dandruff and scalp infection. This mixture of ginger and onions will help to enhance blood circulation to the scalp, and it also minimises hair loss. So I'm just cutting off the onions, slicing everything inside my blender. So I'm going to add a little bit of water so it will blend to a paste. So now I'm just going to sieve it to get out all the juice from the ginger and onions. So right here I'm going to be adding my essential oils. This is my tea tree essential oil and also this lemon essential oil, just to get rid of the smell from the ginger and onions. So my hair is on protective style. I'm going to be applying this treatment on it like that. If your hair is out, you can also use it like that. You just have to part your hair in different parting and apply it gently and massage it into your scalp. So like I'm doing now, you just put it directly into your scalp and massage it into the scalp. Sorry, I'm looking down because my mirror is there so I can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to lose the braid I did, so I'll apply it also on the tip of my hair. And massage it all through so the treatments will get to all parts of the hair. So I have applied it all over the hair and massage it very well, and as you can see, I will just use a shower cap to cover while waiting for 30 minutes. I'm just going to make the oil now. This is what I'll be using to make the oil. I'll be using these onions and half of the ginger. So I'm not going to put water, I just want to use olive oil because I don't want water in it. So I'll be using this cup to measure the oil. I'll be measuring 1 cup of olive oil to blend the onions and ginger. So after blending, I turned it inside the pot, and as you can see, there is no oil coming out, so I have to add another 1 cup of olive oil to it. And you stir it for everything to mix. So after some minutes, this is what it looked like. The oil is out, so I'm just going to turn off the heat and keep it aside to cool off. It has cooled off now, so I'm just going to bring out the oil from it. So this is the oil. So now I'm just going to add my essential oils, the ones I used before, the lemon and tea tree essential oil. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of castor oil to it. This spoon is a small spoon, so I'm adding 2, which is equivalent to 1 tablespoon. So this is the oil. So now I'm going to apply it on my hair. I'm adding honey into a bowl, 1 tablespoon of honey, and I'm going to add the oil. As you can see, the onion juice is under, so you just check it for everything to mix together. And I'll pour it into the bowl of the honey, 1 teaspoon of honey, and I'll pour also a teaspoon of my onions and ginger oil. So mix it very well, and this is the consistency. You can use the oil and the juice separately, not as I did it in this video. I used the juice before using the oil. You can use yours separately. So now I have washed my hair. Now I'm just going to apply shea butter to close the moisture. So I'm just going to pat the hair and apply the shea butter to the tip of my hair. Because the tip of our hair is very fragile, easy to break, so I'm just moisturize the tip with the shea butter and braid it out. So if you don't have shea butter, you can also use castor oil. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Picture for the day: peace I live with you, my peace I give unto you, not as the world giveth, give I unto you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid. John 14:27.